Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade V10 Vita, and today I'll show you how to copy contacts from the SIM card to the device. So let's get started by opening up the standalone contacts app, which for me is right over here. And when you open it, as you can see, there's already a bunch of contacts here. So let's start off by going into the three bars right there, and then settings. And in here we should have an import, yep, there it is, import option. Tap on it and import from a Virgin Mobile. Now here it just provides me with the name of the provider of my SIM card. So for you it might be different. Whatever your provider name is, that's basically, it looks like what is going to be shown here. So once you select it, it will give you all the contacts that are located on that SIM card. As you can see, there's only 4 for me. So if you want to select them all, you can just simply check all of them. There we go, 3 dots, select all, and that will select all of them. If you don't want to select all, you could, or just like majority of them, you can select all and deselect ones that you might not want, like so, or just manually select all of them. Now, once you're done with selecting them, click on the box right here, and it will give you a couple options where you can import those contacts. So you can either import it to your Google account if you are logged into Google. This will be visible. As you can see, I am. It provides me with the emails for both of them. Or you can just import it to your phone. If you're not logged into Google, this will be the only option at the bottom. But I'm going to choose anyway the phone. And you can see it gives you the amount of contacts that have been imported to your phone. And they should be right now somewhere in here. And that is basically how you would import contacts. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.